Today we're making a moist and fluffy German sunken apple cake, Versunkener Apfelkuchen. With juicy apples and a crunchy cinnamon sugar topping, it's the perfect cozy bake. This keeps the apples fresh and bright for our cake. Peel, core, slice 3 medium apples, thin wedges like petals. Toss in 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Stops them from going dull. Keeps them bright, fresh, ready to sink into batter and steal the show. In a large bowl, add 100 grams softened butter, 100 grams sugar, 1 pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Beat until light and creamy. Add 2 large eggs, 1 at a time, mixing well after each. Stir in 60 grams plain yogurt or sour cream for a soft, moist texture. Sift in 120 grams flour and 1½ teaspoons baking powder. Fold gently until smooth. feels thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons milk for a creamy consistency. The batter should be smooth, fluffy, and easy to spread, like velvet. Assemble the cake. Grease and line a 9-inch round tin. Spread the batter in, nice and even, like a little blanket. Now lay the apples on top. Press them gently. They'll sink in as they bake, but that's the joy of it. The crunchy bit. 2 tablespoons sugar, half a teaspoon cinnamon, 1 tablespoon butter. Rub it between your fingers till it's pebbly. Add nuts if you like. Sprinkle generously. This is what makes people come back for seconds.
Heat the oven to 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit. Pop it in for 30 to 35 minutes. But here's the trick. Take it out early, 5 minutes before. Then rain that cinnamon sugar all over those apples like stardust. Back in 5 to 10 more until it's golden clean on the skewer. That last bit keeps the inside like a hug, outside like a kiss. Let it cool just a touch. Dust sugar if you're fancy. Soft, buttery crumb, apples that weep, and that crackle on top. Perfect. And now, cut in. See? Moist, sunken apples hugging buttery sponge. Give this cozy cake a try. Like, subscribe, and share.
for more delicious bakes. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.